Do you want to know how you can add followers on Duolingo? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add followers on your Duolingo account. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Duolingo, which is on your phone, and click on Profile. After you go to Profile, you can see Add Friends option. Just go ahead and tap on Add Friends and search your friend's name. After you search for friend's name, you can see some of the options over here. You can add them and you can see the following unfollow option. After your friend accepts your friend request, they will automatically be headed to the followers option. As you can see right now, I have one follower, and if your friend accepts the friend request, then they will be automatically added as your followers. So guys, this is how you add followers on your Duolingo app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.